everyone, I'm Fiona. There are a few things to know before quoting for the 6-side EPS packaging machine as outlined in this video. Size information. Requested minimum and maximum width. Requested minimum and maximum height. Requested minimum and maximum length. Just for your reference, the width and height are adjustable with a typical adjustment range of 300 millimeter. Packaging regulation issues. Regular products like EPS boards and common EPS boxes can use side push loading. However, irregular foam products used for packing electrical appliances may require manual stacking before packing. If side and forward pushing might cause the stacked packaging to fall apart, we recommend the middle loading packaging machine. It has 2 stainless steel guardrails on either side to ensure that the package remains in place as it is pushed forward. The size and regularity of the foam package will determine whether to choose side push feeding or central axis middle feeding. The most efficient way to determine the best method is to provide us with the size and photos of the foam products, so we can help with analysis based on our experience. PE film thickness requirements. A 6-side EPS packaging machine generally requires a PE film thickness of 0.04 millimeter. A thinner film may result in a broken seal. Please clarify these points so we can accurately quote the right machine.